Welcome to HVS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating RFID mobile phone charging system. So the whole main purpose of this project is we can charge a mobile phone using the RFID tags. Each and every RFID tag consists of the inbuilt some balance. So in real time we can charge a laptop or a phone or any electronic device which is chargeable battery. So from the system we can charge it so-called electronic gadgets, and in this project we are demonstrating with the two RFID tags. Each tag consists of 50 rupees initially. So when we switch on the gate, the 50 rupees will be stored into the so-called RFID number based, and then when we show the tag, the system will switch on this relay to allow the charging power supply to the gadget, and it will stay up to 30 seconds as is a demonstration project purpose. So we are using for only less time 30 seconds. Real time it will be varies based on the application, and after 30 seconds automatically the relay will get switched off. So if you want to recharge it, charge it again, then show the tag again. So coming to the input modules to the PIC microcontroller, we are using a EM18 RFID module and relay to allow the power supply to the gadgets, and a PIC microcontroller interfaced A0 with the RFID, and B2 to B7 LCD, and this is the capacitor. So in order to maintain the constant current, and the reset switch, crystal oscillator 20 MHz. Red color is a power relay indication with a 330 ohm resistor, and green color is a programming relay indication with 330 ohm resistor. So from this adapter we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply. So we are using electromagnetic relay which is acting as a switch here. So after switching on this switch, you can see the welcome message on this LCD screen. Please show the tag. After showing the tag, it will display the tag number, and next it will display the balance. For every 30 seconds it will reduce the 10 rupees. So as we can see that the phone is getting charging. So after 30 seconds of duration it will be automatically switched off. So next we will show you the tag 2 also. The process will be continued for every tag which has a database. And now, so once it reaches the time end, then automatically it will be off. Okay, so same thing will be happen for the tag number 2 also, the remaining balance, and the same process will be continued. So let me explain this board electromagnetic relay. So it has the same LED indication with 330 ohm of resistor, and this is the diode in order to protect the reverse current. Nothing but is the relay nothing but is an inductor. So when we switch off this relay, so it will produce the back EMF. So in order to rectify that, so we are going to use the neutralize the back EMF. We are using the diode, so it will neutralize the back EMF. Okay, and show the tag. So when we show the tag, so it is an invalid tag, right? Thank you for watching demo.